What's up, guys? Welcome in this video. Today is the last week of the month of April, week 5, and I want to go through this video, share with you my trading journal, how I was able to trade in this week with transparency, and what was my journey of this week, what was my behavior, and what was my attitude on each particular trade that I executed during this week, and with transparency, and how many trades I potentially missed this week and could potentially bring my strike rate or my PNL more higher, or my win rate also increase my win rate. And let's go straight to my journal. I will share with you guys. Thank you. Let's go. And you can see, and here's my journal, and you can see the start. It's really crazy for me. I'm doing very, very bad, very crazy. I don't know why. Very crazy, guys. I'm doing very crazy. See my start. You see, I'm on the second month of the second quarter, but I already have 24 trades. It's too much. I'm just taking trade because I just feel bored. I just want to. I want to just taking action. When I'm frustrated, I want just to trade. Can you imagine? This 2 trade is low probability. This 2 trade is low probability. I took 4 trades on Tuesday and on Friday. Low probability trade. This was today. Very low probability trade, guys. Low probability trade. None of them is good. None of them is good. Low probability trade. Yeah, low. All of them is low probability trade. And you can see this one. This was the first trade here. The reason why this one is low probability trade because I wasn't patient to wait for the final confirmation. I was excited. I just want to get into the trade. I have that urge to just taking action. I want to take a trade. I want to be in the trade. I want to take action. I want to do something. That kind of feeling, you know. But the confluence was good. I even put a medium probability here. I journaled this trade after I got stopped out. I journaled this trade. I took 2 trades that day on GBP's day, and this was the first. This was a trade here. You can see GBP. You can see here high time frame, and literally we have this opposing demand from the left. We have this inducement. I was expecting a pullback into this supply above here, but at the same time I knew that price could literally continue to the downside, and I wanted to be very aggressive here. But after deciding to be aggressive or not, I should do what? I should wait for at least a lower time frame LC2A entry model, or wait for a medium time frame bullish shift before I can buy. I can consider now from a new POI to buy. This is what I should do. In this kind of scenario, I need to wait for a medium time frame POI to buy, or I need to wait for a lower time frame LC2A because it's a conservative entry model, and wait for the PBL to fail and shift bullish before I can continue. I can look into to buy. But eventually, the medium confluence was good, but the final confirmation, the confluence I was supposed to wait to be able to get into this trade. I didn't wait. I wasn't patient. And Paz just give a change of character. There wasn't a sweep. Now Paz give a change of character here. Paz give a change. And this was the second trade. Sorry, the first trade was this. The first trade was this. This was the second trade. For me, this second trade is valid. But why I classify this trade as a low probability trade, because when I got stopped out from this first trade, I was very angry. I was very sad. I was asking myself, why did you take loss? Why? You know, with that kind of feeling, I just rush, go into this trade. Even this trade gave me all the confidence that I was supposed to wait before getting to the first trade. But I still classify this one as low probability. Why? Because I took this trade based on the revenge trading, on pressure. This trade, the second trade, and this was the both trade. And you can see here what I saw here, right here. This is what my statement about this, my review about the trade, and it wasn't really nice. The first trade was this one. Yeah, guys, this is normally the first trade. That one was the second trade. This was literally the first trade. This one also low probability, right? This is what I was saying. I mark this trade as a medium probability, as you see. If you check here, you see medium probability. But in reality, this is not a medium probability. Why? Because I did not respect the entry model I should respect. I should wait for at least a medium time frame change of character. Or a lower time frame LC1, LC2A entry model. But I didn't wait that for. I didn't do that. What happened? One price have a change of character, I rush get into the trade. and pass move in my direction. Nice. I decide that okay, one pass tap into this PY, who is opposing PY, I will break even. I will move my stop loss, and pass come back, stop me out, and I already move my break even. This was now become what a fake break, strong liquidation, and pass move up, break above. PBL even fell. It was a clear confirmation to sell, to buy from here now. This is where now I'm supposed to buy. If I didn't get into this trade, this is a perfect scenario where I will have considered now getting to buy. Even after pass stop me out, I will accept it because it's part of my plan. I would love to do this because I clearly wait for strong confirmation, wait for PBL to fail before getting to the trade. This is exactly what I wanted to do, but eventually no. I just rush getting before even the exact entry model happened. It's a low probability for me. Yeah, everything I even mark out here and consider this as a low probability, not a medium probability. Okay, it's a low probability. You can see there's a 2 trade that I took during this week. This is on Tuesday, and today it was the catastrophe. I did not even journal the trade yet for this one because I'm really I'm still in shock. Yeah, I literally no confirmation, no entry model, nothing I respected. I didn't respect anything that I said to do. I say to do today as I'm doing this video. I do this trade today. I did not respect this trade. I want to be lie. I don't want to lie. This trade, I was undisciplined. I was impatient. I rushed. This was the first trade. I think it was the first trade. No, impatient because this is the first one. No, this is the second one. The first one here. The first one, you can see very, very, very low probability. Low probability. Low probability trade. Nothing was good. Nothing. It's tomorrow that I will sit down. I will journal this trade. I will really calm down, ask myself again some questions before we finally journal this trade. Because I don't understand what I wake up, prepare myself very well to trade, and I'm not able to follow the plan. During the day, sitting my computer, can't follow the plan. Why? Because of this. And guys, it's not really nice to hear. I'm telling you guys, I lost minus 5% because there one trade that I revenge, I took another -5, minus 1 again. Yeah, I would say I lost 5% here, 5% I lost this week, 5%. Last week I ended up with -1%. And on Wednesday, I missed a 10-hour trade I could potentially make. And today also I missed another maybe 4% I could make today. After doing this stupid mistake, I missed a good trade that I could take. Right after missing this trade, I missed that trade. That opportunity in the market. And today, missing trade this week. This is a missing trade. Missing trade of this week. Nothing very nice. Just that trade that I missed just one this week. It's only one. The second one, yes, I missed another one, 4% I could take. I missed that one also, but I will journal it later. I did never journal it. I will journal it today or later tomorrow, Saturday. This was a trade. You can see here, very nice trade. Very, very nice trade. You can see very nice. GBPUSD, LC2A, very nice. I got very nice. I could make easily 10R. The minimum I could make it on this trade is 10R because I wanted to scale in on this trade. And eventually I didn't get in. I see, very nice. It was a very nice trade. High time frame looking to sell from this supply, pushing to this low. And see, we have a supply was mitigated. Looking to this is the reason why I did not take the trade because I pointed out the reason why it's here. I didn't take it. This was the reason. Yes, I pointed it here. Yeah, and this was the lower time frame. This was the first entry I could get in. Where I could get in. This was the second entry. 5R, 10R minimum. 10R will I make on this trade? Minimum 10R. Yeah, 10R will I make maybe 13R will I make minimum here because this is the minimum. I just take the minimum. I will make 10R on this trade. 10 because we're scaling. Because I discovered that there are some trades that I can potentially make more profit or 10 times profit normal I'm supposed to target. I could easily risk and make more profit. Yes. Thank you guys. If you like this video, share. And my journey of this week was not really nice. My routine of this week was not really nice because I did not show up very well on time. Today I show up, I show up on time. I review, I learn something, analyze. I did not study. You see, my journey was not really nice. I sleep late, wake up late, not do good, do my analysis late. I'm not consistent. All these things, I wasn't consistent. Maybe this is also the reason why maybe I'm not consistent, because I'm not disciplined. I'm keep negotiating with my body.